Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're just going to be doing a quick little brow routine. I already posted this on Instagram, but I just thought I'd do a quick little talk through using this Colourpop brow pencil. I like that it's got a spoolie at the end, so we're going to start off by using that spoolie and brush our hairs upwards. Now apparently today my chosen method is to start by underlining the bottom brow and just outlining the top as well. I never cried too much, but tonight I cry for you. Now I'm just grabbing an angled brush as well as my brow pomade. Today I'm using the shade Ebony. Next up, I'm going to take my Anastasiabeverlyhills Pro Pencil in base 3. And I'm just going to use this to outline the bottom and top part of my brows respectively. Then I'm going to blend them out. Now, I know many people are brow pros, but it honestly takes me more than one time to carve out my brows to get it perfectly. I know we see on Instagram a lot of people getting it right on point the first time, but not me. So yeah, this is basically what I end up with. Here's my brow. And again, here's my brow. I hope you enjoyed watching. I'll see you in the next video.